Okay, welcome to the SoundMill power editing demo. And what I'm going to do is open up a pre-created sound list. You can see it's already populated with 18 sound items. And SoundMill saves a set of default attributes which are used whenever you create a new sound item. The sound item is populated. These attributes here would be populated from that set of default attributes. And so you can use the default attributes to prime any new sound item. Let's make an example here of this thunder icon. We'll set a pre-delay and post-delay, each one of 1 second. 1 second there. And so now we've got pre-delay and post-delay set. If we save that as default attributes, now when we create a new sound item, I'll click the new sound item button, you can see that the new sound item has those default attributes. And you can save program level default attributes or select the sound list default attributes, and that allows you to save default attributes for every sound list that you use. So you may have different needs in terms of attributes for different types of sound lists. So we'll just leave the favorites set, and that'll set program level defaults. Now we've already got 18 sound items in this list, and let's say we wanted them all set with that same pre-delay and post-delay. So you see here, if I scroll through the list of sound items, the pre and post-delay are not set. And we could go through and manually set all of these, but the best approach is to use the power editing features to do this in a rapid fashion. So let's see how to do that. Now the first thing you have to do is select the set of sound items you want to operate on. So you're offered a choice to either select all, which will select all sound items in the list, or select a restricted selection. And with that, that'll bring up a pop-up dialog. And let's say we only want to apply that to these 3 bird sound items. So we'll just select those 3. And now you see, if we view the selected list, it's showing that these 3 sound items are selected and will be affected when we do these power editing operations. Okay, now let's go ahead and set the delays from the default attributes. These update menu items provide ways to set attributes on every one of these attribute groups. So let's look at the play modifiers. And this selection list allows you to select which attributes will get set from the default attributes. So in this case, we wanted the delay enable and the delay value for both pre and post delay to be set from default attributes. You can also click this all attributes, and every one of these would get set, but in this case we just want to set the pre and post delay. So we've set those, clicked OK. Now if we look at the 3 bird items, you'll notice they all have the delay, the pre-delay, and post-delay. Now if we look at this cat item, which wasn't in our selection list, that was not set. So this is a way to very selectively make updates to your list for particular items. Now clearly these power editing features will change values in a big hurry in your list. So the best way to use this is to save your sound list before you start using the power editing. so that if you make a mistake, you can quit from your editing and reload the last saved copy of the list that you have. So you're basically making a restore point on your list. And like I said, all of the other attributes work basically the same way. You make a selection of which sound items to edit, and then with these update actions, you go in and select the attributes on those sound items that you want to change. So just get a little bit of getting used to, and I think once you get used to it, you'll appreciate the productivity that it brings to editing your list. That concludes the Power Editing demo. Thank you for joining, and please take advantage of the user forum to meet other SoundLift users and share tips and learn from their work. Thank you.